What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So BTD is definitely making some moves here and there, right? You did see my videos that I posted yesterday and you saw where we can go, actually seeing some charts as well. So we're going to talk about this position and how we can actually see some massive movement based on what the market cap is at and all of the potential of where this coin can go. So as you know, I'm very transparent with everything. I did create this coin myself and I am pushing it myself, and basically the whole premise behind it is really to burn off Shiba Inu coin and create a lot of value and make people more wealthy as they do buy in early to this position. And hopefully throughout the life of BTD, we can see, more wealth being created, throughout it. So anyways, before we get started, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, guys, if you want updates on BTD or on anything that I talk about, Shiba Inu or whatever, feel free to follow me on Twitter. We're growing this Twitter to hopefully a higher level where we can, alert a lot of people when I'm posting a video, when I have anything new coming out, when there's any burns or all of that stuff. So feel free to follow me on this platform. Also, check out my Let It Burn channel. So basically I'm creating a full burn channel to burn off Shiba Inu coin. And if you are a supporter of Shiba Inu coin, we will burn off hopefully thousands of dollars per month. I would love to burn off tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars per month for Shiba Inu coin. And it's not even spending my money or spending your money. This is not where you guys are donating anything or I'm putting anything into it. It's literally the revenue that the video makes will go towards burning off SHIB. So it's a way that nobody spends money and we still burn off the supply of SHIB. So I feel like it's a win-win as long as you guys watch. So definitely go ahead and check that out. But without further ado, we're talking about Buy the Dip coin. Buy the Dip coin is currently at 131 holders, 131 addresses, where we had over 800 transfers so far. Now, people have talked to me about what's going on. I'm sorry, guys, for all the coughing. Most people that watch my channel know that I just have an issue with coughing, I guess, something going on. But what a lot of people alerted me about was the fact that we're seeing a lot of ins and outs of the same amount. So we'll see people buy 40 and sell 40. We see people buy 700 and sell 700. Understand that we will have fluctuation throughout the beginning processes of, having this coin out there. As we add liquidity, as the price goes up, we add more liquidity at those prices. So we create a higher price floor where it's going to be more difficult for those same people to buy so much and buy in and buy out and gain the slight bit that they're gaining, right? Creating a little bit of FOMO buying while also, creating some value for themselves. I've noticed that a lot of them that have been doing it have been actually losing money doing that, trying to day trade and swing trade it because it does have a lot of volatility. But they're not understanding how this all works and how an early coin, you may see a price, but selling too much of that price may lower the amount that you end up selling all of your shares for. Does that make sense? Or all of your coins for? So even though they're doing this, yes, it is affecting the price in a big way by seeing large swings because they're trying to game the system in a way, but it's not really working for everybody or for at least most of them. And some people are seeing some success sometimes, but then seeing less success the next time. So it's not something that they're actually gaining the system from. We're seeing some consistent movement. We're seeing some good growth and we'll see less fluctuation as we add on more liquidity. Now understand, there's only 150,000 BTD that's out there. So with that much that's out there and so little that's in circulation right now, you're going to have some really big swings as people do buy it at some of these low prices, because with such little coins and seeing somebody buy 1,000 of it, that can create a huge swing just because, you have less coins out there, right? It creates a lower supply, a higher demand. So that's really what you are seeing there. So I wanted to talk about that. We are seeing a bunch of transactions, which I love to see. 131 addresses that are holding in. What's great, I talked about the chart that you can see over on PancakeSwap, but you can actually see a chart over on PooCoin that gives you the most important information that I wanted to see, which is right here, market cap. I wanted to see what the market cap looks like with the $150,000 supply, 150,000 supply. We're looking at a $290,000 market cap. So to know that I created a coin that now has $290,000 of a market cap is insane to me. You know, it just makes me feel good, like I created something that other people can find valuable, especially if people got in at this lower spot all the way down here at this level of maybe 15, 16 cents, growing all the way up to a level of $3.88. You're gaining a lot from this, right? Whether you are one of those people that got in here or one of those people that got in here, you're gaining a lot from it. Yes, it has come down and fell pretty far as you have more fluctuation, as you have more people that may have been whales down in this situation that decided to, or this position, that decided to sell some of their position and get in or get out all the way down to a level of 80 cents, increasing back up to about 230 or 240. You're going to see some fluctuation here. So is it time to get in? It really depends on what you want to do. You know, if you want to hold on for the long term, I think this could be really big, especially after we start seeing the Shiba burns, especially after we start adding liquidity and just, you know, doing everything that we can for this coin to further the future. Now, again, we're still in the beginning stages. If you guys wanted to go and set liquidity for yourself, it's valuable for you to do that. You know, there's already people that have set 4% liquidity in the BNB pool. If you want to set liquidity, you definitely can. It doesn't take that much because I don't have that much that's into the liquidity pool. Sorry, guys. And it could be a lot more that we could definitely see a massive move in. But if you want to add to this liquidity pool, you can always go ahead and add liquidity and put some BNB in there. You have to basically have BNB and have BTD in order to add liquidity to the pool. Or you can have USDT and BTD in order to add liquidity to this pool. Now, this will be more difficult to add liquidity because there's 10,000 and there's 5,500 BTD in there. And there's also 10,000 USDT that's in the pool right now. So obviously you have to add a significant amount. I'm going to continue to add to that pool so that we do have more or less fluctuation basically, and it stays at a stable price. So that's really what I had for you guys today. I wanted to talk about BTD and where it was going to go, what I saw as maybe a little bit of a concern, be transparent with you guys and let you guys know where things are. But right now, the price is at a really good point. We can see here that it's actually at $1.93. I will be adding liquidity as time goes on. As if we do see lower prices, I will add liquidity at some of those prices so we can create a higher floor. Because right now, the ultimate floor of where I put money into it was about 19 cents. And we don't want it to go down to 19 cents. We want to create a higher and higher floor as time goes on. And as you guys add to the liquidity pool, you add more value to it as well. So feel free to add to this pool. And it's not something where your money is gone. You could take your money out anytime you want, and it could grow in value in that liquidity pool as well. So not only gaining within just investing into the position itself, you're gaining in the liquidity pool in the combination of the USDT to BTD. So you're creating a higher floor while also increasing the price and increasing consistency. So definitely check out everything. Check it out on PooCoin if you want. Check it out on PancakeSwap. Create your own liquidity. If you have USDT, go in here, add liquidity, and all you have to do, it's already set up, so you can just add one if you want, and that will be one share of BTD for $1.92, or you can add like 100 and you'll spend $192 to add to this liquidity pool. Now, is it gone? It's not gone. It's still in there, and it will grow in value, and you can take it out anytime that you want to. So that's what I have for you guys today. Let me get out of here. I'm going to create some more videos on Shiba Inu and some other positions that are out there. But if you guys want to get this, feel free to go over to PancakeSwap and get it yourself. And if you guys want updates on it, feel free to follow me on my Twitter, where you will get a bunch of information on how much we're burning when it comes to BTD and Shiba Inu. As well as if you want to be a part of the burns, follow my Let It Burn channel, which does burn Shiba Inu every upload. Every single upload, we're burning off Shiba Inu. So follow over on that channel. Link will be down in the description or in the card somewhere. But right now we're not monetized, so we need to get to a point to where we are monetized, which should happen by the end of this week. So Let's continue to grow this channel and get it to a level to where so many people can see it. We can burn off Shiba Inu. And once we get monetized, I will upload probably 2 videos a day on this channel to burn off as much as I can. They won't be the highest quality videos, but they will have information that you guys can use. So anyways, I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.